Interface works with a large range of manufacturers and equipment makers to improve quality and productivity by supplying high-performance measurement solutions. Using our miniature load cells to apply the exact force needed to press a brand identity onto a fragile consumable, or multi-axis sensors for verifying performance data, interface products are commonplace in manufacturing and production. Force measurement is integral to advanced manufacturing systems, production lines, packaging, and product testing. Interface sensors are utilized in testing and monitoring various machines, from presses to lifting equipment, to ensure accuracy and repeatability from assembly to distribution. We understand manufacturing test and measurement applications. Our load cells, torque transducers, and instrumentation are used on the line for monitoring equipment, advancing automation, as well as modernizing machines that are used to expedite productivity and improve processes. Whether you are looking for a uniquely designed precision load cell, torque transducer, multi-axis sensor, or miniature load cell, Interface has the capability and capacity to deliver single products for testing and high-volume components to embed into robots or manufactured goods.